We just went through one of the most important and eventful weeks in crypto history. So let's not even mess around with an intro and just get straight into the news. Here are 4 stories you need to hear about crypto this week. Ethereum successfully merges to proof of stake. How could we start with anything else? Ethereum finally completed its long-awaited merge in the early morning hours of Thursday, September 15th. It's a change that has been years in the making, and it's finally gone through without a hitch. But what does that merge actually mean? Ethereum used to achieve its security through a proof-of-work system similar to the one that Bitcoin uses. Now it achieves security through a proof-of-stake system. This means that people who hold Ethereum tokens must stake them to keep the network secure instead of needing miners to do that job. Ethereum developers incentivize this staking by offering an interest rate to stakers paid in native Ethereum. But the change is about more than a security upgrade. After the merge, Ethereum network uses 99.98% less energy, according to The Verge. Not only that, but researcher Justin Drake has calculated that the entire planet is now using 0.2% less electricity now that Ethereum has switched to a proof-of-stake security model. And finally, Ethereum's merge is good for investors too. The issuance of new Ethereum is down significantly, and Ether may even become a deflationary asset soon. That means less sell pressure and less downward force on Ethereum's price. The latest CPI reading sends markets spiraling. The hype around Ethereum's historic merge was diminished a bit by price actions this week. Inflation data released on Tuesday, September 13th, was higher than markets expected. This sent the S&P 500 down more than 4% for its biggest loss since the beginning of the pandemic. Tech stocks and crypto fared even worse than that, with the Nasdaq dropping over 5% and Ethereum, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies dropping about 10% on the day. This bear market began because the Federal Reserve had to raise interest rates in order to tame inflation. The reason that the market rallied over the summer was that many investors anticipated that the worst was already over for inflation. This report shows that unacceptably high levels of inflation are still present, which is a sign that the Fed may have to increase rates higher and hold them there for longer than many people were anticipating. Starbucks launches NFT loyalty program. In lighter news, Starbucks also announced that it's partnered with Polygon to launch an NFT loyalty program. The program, called Starbucks Odyssey, will allow customers to purchase digital NFT stamps that give them access to various benefits and immersive experiences. Customers can join the waitlist to be the first ones to access the loyalty program now, although it's unclear at this time exactly when it will release. This is good news for Polygon investors as well, who are no doubt excited to see that another major brand has chosen their blockchain to partner with. It's another sign that Polygon's business development branch is one of the best in all of crypto. Crypto fantasy football is here. Fantasy football fans rejoice. Crypto-based fantasy football is finally here. But this isn't your father's fantasy football. Launched by the Owners Club, Crypto Fantasy Football does things differently. Instead of drafting a team in a snake draft as you would a normal league, you purchase a pack of 5 NFT cards for $200. Each of the cards has its city and a position group, so you might get Tampa Bay running backs or Chargers quarterbacks. Every week, you submit a 5-card lineup into a weekly contest and win prize money based on how well your lineup does. Players can buy, sell, and trade cards on the open market just like they would regular NFTs. This incentivizes trading in a way that traditional fantasy football doesn't. It's a cool twist on an American classic and worth keeping an eye on if you're a football fanatic. It was a crazy week in the world of crypto and a historic one. From Ethereum's merge to another major brand entering into the Web3 ring, there never seems to be a dull moment in this space. Which news story was most important to you this week? The CPI print, Ethereum's merge, or something else? Comment your answer below and let us know. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.